This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill the Sahara Affidavit form. First, understand the form's purpose, which is crucial for a successful claim. Next, gather all necessary documents like your investment proofs and personal identification. Finally, ensure you have the correct affidavit form specific to your claim type, as there might be different versions for various Sahara schemes. This initial preparation saves time and prevents errors later on. Moving on, accurately enter your personal details, including your full name, current address, and contact information. Precision here is key to avoid any discrepancies. Then, provide exact details of your investment or deposit with Sahara, such as the scheme name, account number, and the invested amount. Double-check all dates and figures to ensure they match your records perfectly, as even small errors can cause delays. Now, let's talk about supporting documents. You must attach clear copies of your original investment certificates or passbooks. Also, include valid proof of identity and address, like your Aadhaar card, passport, or voter ID. After completing the form and attaching all documents, it is absolutely essential to get the affidavit notarized by a public notary. This legal verification adds authenticity and is a mandatory step for submission. Before submission, take a moment for a thorough review. Carefully check all the information you've entered for any errors or omissions, from your name to the investment details. Ensure all required signatures are present, especially yours and the notary's. Once confident, submit the completed affidavit along with all supporting documents to the designated authority or office. Keep a copy for your records, as this is a vital step in your claim process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.